Want this? First, go to your sequence panel and prepare your clips by cutting them into 30-frame segments. Then, head over to the effects panel and drag and drop the transform effect onto your clip. Next, go to the effect controls panel and open the transform effect. Add a keyframe at the very beginning and set the scale value to 115. Then move to the end and reset the value 1 frame before the middle point between the two clips. Now go to position and adjust the value like this, making sure there are no black edges visible on the screen. Then add a keyframe. Move 5 frames forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and change the value like this. Again, make sure no black screen appears on the sides. Then move another 5 frames forward and reset it. After that, move 10 more frames forward and reset it once again. Now return to the effects panel and drag and drop the Gaussian blur effect onto your clip. In the effect controls panel, open Gaussian blur and set the blur dimensions to vertical. At the beginning, add a keyframe and set the blur value to 100. Then move 10 frames forward, reset it, and change the value to 0. After that, go back to the effects panel and drag and drop the Lumetri color effect onto your clip. Open the Lumetri color settings in the Effect Controls panel and expand the Basic Correction tab. Under Exposure, add a keyframe at the beginning and set the value to 1. Then move 3 frames forward and reset it again. Your effect is now ready. Now select all the effects together while holding the Control key. Then copy all of them and paste them onto your remaining clips. Your effect is now complete. Save it for your next project.